A through hole in a PCB helps connect traces from top layer to bottom layer and vice versa. Using through hole, contact can be made to inner layers of a multi-layer PCB. The image shows a plated through hole scenario where a conductive layer is plated on the entire path of the through hole, thereby forming a conductive path. This useful to provide reliable connection as well as mechanical strength. The scenario U in this image is for a component. Plated through hole is also used as a via to connect trace from one layer to another. This image shows a non-plated through hole for the component. Here for the component there is a lead soldering desired on the opposite layer and no connection is required in the inner layer. In such cases, non-plated through hole works. Also, the mounting holes on the PCB can be another scenario where non-plated through holes can be used. In contrast to plated through holes, we can observe that there is no copper plating in the through hole path. So, a component extending from top to bottom layer or vice versa is required for the electrical connection to be formed.